Hello everybody, and welcome to Boss Box Breaks, single box break of 12/13 Panini Limited. Here's your winners list. We had two people with 5+ teams. They are highlighted. It's JNC and Guillaume. You guys will get your own pack with insert rookie, a parallel, or a jersey card, depending on which one Vanner picks for you, I guess. Ended with Rocky and Winnipeg, and that's ending at 8 p.m. It's currently 10:27, so just under a couple hours after it ended. Here is your cereal. You have to kind of peel at that a bit. Ending in 822. Alright, so we're going to have a no-hit bonus and a bonus pack for anybody. And like I mentioned, JNC and Guillaume, you get your own pack no matter what. Alright. I'm excited. I'm so excited I can't open the box. There it is. This is a serious box. This is a serious box break, everybody. That's what I think about that, Jazz. And our pack. That was a little bit ridiculous. Alright, moving on. Here we go. Alright. First card goes to Edmonton. D-Mac. That's a Ryan Whitney. Base card, number to 299, that's 255. A little bit of a tiny ding on the bottom left. Second card goes to Boston. It's a Tyler Seguin. 140 out of 299, that's another base. And that's Sears. Nice. To San Jose. JNC cards. A Joe Thornton. Autographed trophy winners card. And that one is numbered to 25. Try not to show the other cards.
Number 25 of 99.
Number 25, sorry, of 99. That's a nice hard signed autograph there for sure. And for Dallas, a Brett Hall, 22 of 99, limited jersey card. Dallas is Guillaume. So there you go, Guillaume. And a big hit for Detroit and Rocky, number 2 of 5, Pavel Datsyuk, monikers Emerald, I believe. That is pretty serious. Boom! So there you go, Rocky. Sweet hit for you. And for D-Mac, Back to the Future, Sven Berchi. He was just traded today, actually. And that's his Back to the Future auto. Not auto, sorry, my bad. That's just a parallel, and that's 18 of 199. I'm still pumped about that Datsyuk kid. That's a nice hit. And the last card, Mike Richards, board members, 99 of 199. And Los Angeles was Sears. So congratulations to Sears. Alright. So we're going to go into the bonuses. 5+ team for Guillaume. 5+ team for JNC. So Congratulations to you guys. And we got our limited no-hit bonus and bonus for anybody. We have our 30-sided die. We have our winners list. Our hits were marked down by Vanner during the break. Thank you very much. First team is, or first bonus pack, sorry, is going to go to Team 30. And Team 30 is Rocky with Winnipeg. You didn't have a hit with Winnipeg, so bonus pack 1 is yours. And the one that anybody could get. Team 22. And that's Rocky as well. So Rocky stealing the show with the Datsuk auto and the 2 bonus packs. So there you go. Gonna pull that Datsuk up front here. So thank you everybody for coming to another Boss Box Break. We have another box of this awesome product breaking tomorrow, I believe I have one listed for. So hopefully we'll see you guys then, and good luck on the future breaks.